This is a welcome song, man. All right. Everybody, welcome to your classroom. I've really been missing all of you. That is why today I decided to dress up like we used to do in school. And I just really wanted to welcome you all and hope that you have a wonderful day. And Ganesha Chaturthi is coming up. Everybody must be really excited. Please follow Corona ka lockdown rules. ज़्यादा मत जाना, विसर्जन पे मत जाना. And yes, अजय, घर के हिसाब से अच्छे से तैयार हुई हूँ मैं. Okay, so okay. So welcome to your classroom. Can you guess why did we play this song, this particular movie, this particular song? Why is it related to today's class? Why did we play this song? Let's see who guesses. Forest. Dilip says forest. Amazing. Does it have something to do with no worries and troubles? Yes, Tanisha. But it also has something to do with today's class. Animals. Amazing, Dilip. So we're coming closer to the topic. So the class is about wildlife. Yes, there's animals. Amazon has a lot of animals. Even India has a lot of animals, right? Animal diversity. Do you remember? Oh, wow, guys. You guys type on chat so fast, it's just really hard for me to like keep up. But all right, so today's topic is natural vegetation and wildlife, and that is why we started on such a positive note, because I feel that all of the animal life, all of the wildlife, all of the natural vegetation brings about so much positivity and happiness if you let them. So we wanted to start with that today, just the happiness of studying about something so great. What we will do today is we'll operate with a lot of enthusiasm, and I should see the chat like bursting, and everybody should be responding to all the questions that I ask. So once I say, are you ready? You will all write yes on the group chat. If you're not ready, then you can write no, but I want big yes and lots of excitement on the group chat. So are you all ready for today's class? Ready? Not ready? Wow. Wow, Ajay, thank you. Thank you, Tanisha. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, Anisha. Thank you, Mahani. Shubham is not ready. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, Mahima. Woohoo! Okay. Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you, Dilip. Okay. बढ़िया. चलो अब शुरू करते हैं, okay? Chalo, big yes. Thank you. All right. Now we will stop on the chat and we're going to move forward into our classroom. And we stop with the yeses. I understood everybody is as excited as I am. So let's start with the class. Okay? I think Divya is not excited. Divya is saying, what the hell is going on? है ना? हाँ Divya? कहाँ पे हो? Okay. Now what we will be doing is, मैं जहां पर भी हार्ट पुट करूंगी, आप वो पर्टिकुलर प्लांट या एनिमल गेस करेंगे कि उसका नाम क्या है. ओके? अभी the first heart is this. What is the name of this tree? Let's guess. Cactus. Amazing. Cactus. Is it found in India? No, Ajit. Rajasthan में होता है यार. Yes, it is found in India. Okay. Next. What is this called? Flower. No, not flower. These are like plum or berries. है ना? नहीं पता? इंडिया में मिलता है क्या? ऐसा कुछ कभी देखा है क्या? ऐसी बेरीज देखी है इंडिया में? हाँ. अच्छा. Okay, great. So everybody has seen these berries, right? You ate also. Amazing. Okay, now next, what is this? What is this tree called? Can you guess? or is it just like a random tree that you have seen? Shagwan, ये बड़े बड़े नाम. Papaya का tree, plant, banyan tree. Oh बढ़िया, banyan tree तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है ये. और अच्छा, तमिलनाडु का प्लेट है. हाँ यार, हाँ लग तो वैसा ही रहा है, आई थिंक. ओके, तो अब ये वाला, कैन यू गेस द नेम ऑफ दिस बर्ड? हैव यू एवर सीन दिस बर्ड? हैव यू एवर सीन दिस बर्ड? डू यू थिंक वी कैन फाइंड इट समवेयर इन इंडिया? कैनरी, स्क्विरल. स्क्विरल तो नहीं लग रही है कहीं से भी. गेस गेस. कैनरी. ओके, what about this? What is this called? Have you seen it in India? Cheetah. Okay. Yes. Jaguar. Okay. Leopard. Amazing. Badhiya, badhiya. Cheetah. हाँ. Jaguars are very like are jaguars there in Indian forests? Indian tropical forest? No. No. सांप पे पहुंच रहे हैं अभी. रुक जाओ रुक जाओ. And what about this? This is anaconda. Anaconda. सबने बोल दिया anaconda. Done है. Deal. Sealed. Okay guys, news flash. इसमें से कुछ भी इंडिया में नहीं है. Okay. These, so basically the first one looks like cactus, but it is not a cactus. Similarly, all of these things that you guessed, like the berries and all of this, very similar things are available in India, but all of these things are not from India. That was not anaconda. That is not jaguar. So all of these images are actually of Brazil, and these are rare species of Brazil which are available only in Brazil. Okay, so these are not actually present in India. This is the wildlife of Brazil. So we all guessed it wrong. None of them belong to India. All right. So I just want to start with this quick activity where तुम्हें धोखा है और तुम थोड़ा सा कम स्मार्ट फील करो. सिर्फ यही गोल था गाइस कि तुम थोड़ा कम स्मार्ट फील करो. But yes, so we are going to talk about the wildlife and natural vegetation of Brazil today, and we will be focusing on natural vegetation of Brazil today, and tomorrow we will move on to natural vegetation, like in the next class we will move on to natural vegetation of India. Okay, एक second. वो cactus ही नहीं है अजीत. Okay, today's agenda is that we're going to learn about the meaning of vegetation. We're going to study about vegetation of Brazil, but we will not be studying vegetation of India. That we will be doing day after tomorrow, like whenever we have our next class. Okay. Now, what does vegetation mean? Can you guess what does vegetation mean? Chapter's name is Vegetation and Wildlife. Can you guess what does vegetation mean? Agriculture. Okay. What else? Guess. Isn't agriculture very structured? Do you think it's vegetation can only be structured? Daily food, vegetables. Okay. What else? Let's guess. Where else do you find greenery? Flora and fauna. Exactly, Saurabh. Spot on. So, where do you find flora and fauna generally? Where do you find flora and fauna or nature or greenery of a particular area? Amazing. Amit, edit करते रहो सबके response और बढ़िया अपना बना लो. हाँ. Forest. Okay. So vegetation basically means plants considered collectively, especially around a particular area or habitat. इसका ये मतलब है एक particular locality में, एक particular climatic conditions के अंदर, एक particular physiography के अंदर एक तरीके के प्लांट्स ग्रो होते हैं जो नेचुरली ग्रो होते हैं. एग्रीकल्चर में हम लोग सीड्स डालते हैं और वो मैन मेड ग्रोथ है ऑफ प्लांट्स, राइट? बट हियर the plants are naturally growing because of nature, because of physiography of that region. Okay, so just a second. Yeah, so that is what vegetation means. When plants naturally grow according to physiography. Is this clear? Physiography माने उधर का climate, उधर का area. हाँ, मस्त सीन रही है ना? मुझे भी जानना है इधर. Is it clear to everyone? रितेश, इसका ये मतलब है कि जो नेचुरल ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स होती है उस रीजन के पानी के हिसाब से, उस रीजन के क्लाइमेट के हिसाब से, ठंड में अलग होती है, डेजर्ट्स में अलग होती है, फॉरेस्ट के अंदर अलग होती है, उस हिसाब, दैट इज कॉल्ड वेजिटेशन. ओके ओके रितेश. ऑलराइट, नाउ वेयर डू वी फाइंड वेजिटेशन? कैन यू गेस कि वेजिटेशन कहाँ होती है? Where can we see vegetation? Let's see who answers. Rainforest, nature. Where nature कहाँ पे अजय? Forest, in nature, in forest. Okay. तो jury out है forest के लिए. Forest को सबको हाँ है. Majority for forest. या पता नहीं. Okay. Rest of you, forest के लिए वोट सबके है. Environment, environment का क्या मतलब है सौरभ? Can you specify? Once vegetation meaning, I'll come back to that, Ajit. Give me a second. Jungle. Okay, only jungle. All right. Majority of you were wrong. Vegetation is found not only in forest. Vegetation is everywhere. So Mumbai has a different sort of vegetation. What sort of vegetation do we have? The kind of trees that are high in length, the kind of trees that grow tropical fruits, right? That grow coconuts, right? So here, that kind of vegetation is existent. In Thar Desert, there is very, very less like dried out plants, cactus, and that type of plants grow, right? So according to the climate of that region, the vegetation changes, but vegetation is everywhere. Plants are everywhere, trees are everywhere, but the kind of plants or the kind of trees, that depends on the climate or that physiography of that place. Is that clear? Vegetation is everywhere, but it differs according to physiography of that space. Clear? सिर्फ 2 यस आए हैं, जल्दी से. यस यस ओके, बढ़िया. बाकी लोग यस 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 यस. बाकी सारे यस. Shehbaz, can you ask me what is not clear? All right. Okay. All right. Now what we will be doing in this activity is, we studied physiography of Brazil pura. So this will be a sort of revision for you all. Okay. First I will put hearts at a place. First you will tell me the name of that place. Okay. And then we will guess what kind of vegetation would exist in that place. कि मतलब dried out plants होंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा forests होंगे या कम forests होंगे, हम खुद ही guess करने का try करेंगे अभी. Okay? I'll put hearts and you will name that place first. All right. What was this place called? Let's see who answers first. Fastest finger first. Jaldi se. What was this place called? Okay, Divya has responded to me. Lakshmi has responded. Guiana Highlands, amazing. Brazilian Highland. रितेश, तुमको थप्पड़ खाने के, यहाँ से मार भी नहीं सकती मैं तुमको. हाँ, exactly. Guiana Islands, right? So अब Guiana Islands अगर आप देख रहे हो, थोड़े से there is a lot of greenery. There are some parts which are also light brown. What do you think? What kind of vegetation would be there in Guiana Highlands? Would there be a lot of forest? Would there be forests all year round? Green. Ritesh says green, medium. Okay. Not the highest. Exactly. What else? What else can you guess about it? If I'll increase the intensity of this question, I've put a line. This line is equator, right? We know what happens on equator related to rainfalls. Do you think then in this hard place, would there be a lot of rainfall? If this is equator, then would there be a lot of rainfall in the hard place? Yes? Yes? All right. Okay. Next question. Where would, who would experience maximum rainfall in Brazil? Where do you have to live to experience maximum rainfall in Brazil? Ajay, there are a lot of other crops as well. Let's not get into that. सबसे ज्यादा फॉरेस्ट कहाँ होंगे ब्राजील में? Can we guess? Let's see who guesses first. The edge of Amazon, the region at the equator line. Divya, is that region the same as the edge of Amazon? Amazon forest. Amazing, guys. You're really talented. मुझे पढ़ाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. सब तो आता है तुमको. Amazon forest, exactly. Right? So this Amazon river flows, and as we saw in that picture, there was a river और दोनों sides पे इतने huge forest थे. So the maximum rainforest in Brazil and in the world are present in around the Amazon river. That is also called the lungs of the world because it has so much oxygen because of those forests. Along with that, Amazon river is also the closest to equator. And what happens at equator? What happens at equator related to rainfall? Clue दे दिया मैंने तुमको. इक्वेटर पे क्या होता है? रेन होता है. रितेश, क्यों होता है रेन? Why is there high rainfall, Ajay? We studied this. Vapor. Yes, Dilip, can you elaborate on that? Dilip, don't message me privately. Just write to everyone. You're giving right answers. Because of fast condensation. Exactly. So there's condensation, quick evaporation, quick rainfall, then again condensation. Every evening there used to be rainfall, right? So this area has a huge river. It also is near equator. So that would lead to a lot of rainfall. Do you think that rainfall would be seasonal or would that happen across the whole year? Across the whole year? Across? Pakka? Lock कर दिया जाए? Exactly. Across the whole year, right? So it won't be seasonal, right? Now we move on to Brazilian highland. What do you think about rainfall or forest in Brazilian highland? Would it have a lot of forest? No, not that much. Yes, we're kind of playing KBC. Okay. And what about rainfall there? Do you think rainfall would happen at all? Limited amount of forest. Yes, low forest. Why low forest? Because it's a plateau, it's a highland, right? And it's a little far from the equator. Low rainfall, but okay, now next question. Would rainfall be year-long or seasonal? Seasonal? Pakka? Lock कर दिया जाए? बढ़िया. Okay. And what about this area? What was this area called? जहाँ पे मैंने अभी hearts put करे? What was this area called? Specific नाम था एक. Escarpment. Amazing, Divya. So it was called the Great Escarpment. So इसके पीछे क्या बनता था? Great Escarpment के पीछे क्या बनता था? Amazing Mahima. Drought quadrilateral, right? So उस drought quadrilateral का यही मतलब है कि यहाँ पे कम बारिश होती है, ठीक है? Minimal बारिश होती है. So यहाँ तक सी की वेव्स पहुंच ही नहीं पाती, सी की विंड्स पहुंच ही नहीं पाती, तो यहाँ पे काफी कम रेनफॉल होती है. एंड इन दिस एरिया देयर इज स्टिल अ लिटिल बिट मोर रेनफॉल व्हिच इज सीजनल इन नेचर. All of these basic things are clear to us, right? All of these things are clear. So I will just revise. ऊपर वाले plateaus में थोड़ी ज़्यादा rainfall होगी Guiana Highlands में because it's near the equator. Second, Amazon basin पे maximum rainfall होगी और उसके आसपास rain forest भी है. वो lungs of the world भी है because it has the biggest rain forest in the world. Then हम ब्राजीलियन हाईलैंड पे आए. ब्राजीलियन हाईलैंड में कुछ रिवर्स है जिसकी एवापोरेशन की वजह से सीजनली रेनफॉल होती है, नॉट ऑल द टाइम. एंड ग्रेट एस्कार्पमेंट के पीछे एक ब्रॉड क्वाड्रिलैटरल है जिसके अंदर सबसे कम रेनफॉल होती है. तो हम देख रहे हैं पहले मीडियम, वेरी हाई, वेरी लो, नहीं लो, वेरी लो. ओके, more than 20% of oxygen of the world. Good job, Dilip. That means you watched the video. All right, now this is the image that has been given in your textbook. I will be explaining to you what this image means. Okay, सबसे पहले one second, यहाँ पर ये लिखा गया है गुआना हाईलैंड्स और गुआना हाईलैंड्स को नाम दिया गया ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट का. ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट का क्या मतलब होता है? ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट का मतलब होता है, can you tell me in the video lungs? Yes Ajay, but we are at tropical forest right now. Tropical forest में बहुत ग्रीनरी होती है बट मैक्सिमम ग्रीनरी नहीं होती. जितना इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट में होती है उतनी नहीं होती, बट काफी ग्रीनरी होती है. इट इज वेरी नियर टू द इक्वेटर दैट कॉजेज अ लॉट ऑफ रेनफॉल इन दिस रीजन. So Guiana Highlands are tropical forest. Then we come to Amazon basin. And can you tell me what forest does Amazon basin represent from the image? What are the forests at Amazon basin called? Equatorial, right? So why equatorial? Why are they called equatorial forest? Let's see who responds. Because it lies on the equator, because it falls on the equator, because equatorial. Yes, exactly, right? So because Amazon forests lie on the equator, it is called equatorial forest. Then we move on to Parana basin. Parana basin याद है वो जो इस साइड पे था छोटा सा, right? So that is called deciduous forest. Now deciduous forest का क्या quality थी? हमने पढ़ा था कि मैं भी दिखा देती हूँ तुमको. एक सेकेंड. जहां पर था पराना बेसिन, ठीक है, पैरागुआ पराना वाला, और ये वाले रीजन के अंदर सीजनल रेनफॉल होगी बिकॉज ये ब्राजीलियन हाईलैंड के पास है, राइट? So this is also characterized by deciduous forest basically have seasonal rainfall. Then we move on to Brazilian highlands. Brazilian highlands में सबसे minimum rainfall है, right? Because उनका altitude भी काफी high है and उनका one second, which stops the winds from coming. So this will also be seasonal rainfall and they are called temperate forest. Okay. Once again, we will clear the definition of different forests. One second. Yes, tropical forests are the forests that have high rainfall, which lie 10 to 15 degrees above the equator. Equatorial forests are the forests that lie on the equator. Deciduous forests are the forests that are dominated by some trees called deciduous trees, and they have seasonal rainfall. So that is Parana Highland, right? Parana Plateau. And then we move to temperate forest, vegetation type with more or less continuous canopy of broad leaves. They present elevated regions. So temperate forest कहाँ पे है? जहाँ पे elevation है. यहाँ पर भी seasonal majorly rainfall होगी. All of these four forest types are clear. Are all of these four things clear? Exactly, perfectly clear? Thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, Ajay. Thank you, Ritesh. Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you, Mahima. Okay. Thank you, Aryan. I got this guy. All right. So we're going to move forward now. And we're going to study certain Just 1 second, okay? One second. Yeah. So we're going to study a little more in detail about forests in general in Brazil. The first thing that we're going to talk about is, as we discussed while discussing the map, that the regions that lie on the equator, it rains throughout the year. Why does it rain throughout the year? Because the whole evaporation process happens, and it happens really fast because it's really, really hot, which leads to rainfall throughout the year. As one moves away from equator, जैसे जैसे हम दूर जाते गए इक्वेटर से, वैसे वैसे बारिश कम होती गई. तो as we notice कि यहाँ ऊपर कम गैप था, तो यहाँ फिर भी बारिश हो रही थी, बट पैरागुआ पराना पे जब हम पहुंचे तो कम बारिश थी, और ब्राजीलियन हाइलैंड्स पे सबसे कम बारिश थी. इज दिस क्लियर? इक्वेटर के ऊपर सबसे ज्यादा बारिश, इक्वेटर से दूर जाते जाएंगे तो कम बारिश. ओके, next point. Now Amazon forests are also called evergreen forests. Can you tell me why? Why are Amazon forests also called evergreen forest? There are many types of trees. Amazing. What else? Because it will be forever. Yeah. कभी सूखता नहीं है. What else? Guys, हमने ये ज्योग्राफी में पढ़ा था, तो तुम थोड़ी ज्योग्राफिकल टर्म्स में बताओ ना. इनके आसपास गंगा और अमेज़न में डिफरेंस क्या था? बुक से ज्यादा पता है तुम्हें? गंगा के आसपास क्या होता था? सेडिमेंटेशन होती थी, तो होम घर बस जाते थे. यहाँ पे पूरे टाइम फॉरेस्ट रहेगा, बिकॉज सेडिमेंटेशन नहीं होती, एंड में जाके सेडिमेंटेशन होती है. दैट इज व्हाई द वाटर कीप्स ऑन गेटिंग डिस्पर्स्ड, because of which there will always be forests. Exactly. No deltas, water is present every time, there won't be any plains. Exactly, right? So that is why they are called evergreen forests, because of which there are rains throughout the year. Now, because they are evergreen forests, they release large amount of oxygen. Obviously, because there's so many trees, it will release large amount of oxygen, and help us control the carbon dioxide levels, right? Because we are releasing oxygen, we are controlling carbon dioxide levels, and that is why it is also called the lungs of the world. So evergreen forests are called lungs of the world. When we ask the question, which are the lungs of the world, do not write Amazon River Basin, write evergreen forest. Is this clear? Because we're talking about the forest, not the river at the moment. River doesn't give oxygen, trees give oxygen. So the right answer will be evergreen forest. Is this clear? All right. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, great, बढ़िया. चलो. No, we can't write Amazon forest also, Lakshmi, because if we've been given a specific name, let's go with that. Boards का कुछ पता नहीं होता है. Okay? All right. Now the third thing. As I told you that according to physiography, different kind of forests will be available. अब एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट के अंदर तो बड़े बड़े ट्रीज होंगे, लंबे लंबे ट्रीज होंगे, क्योंकि उनको इतना पानी पहुंच रहा है, राइट? बट जो फॉरेस्ट में कम पानी पहुंचता है, तो उधर भी ट्रीज होते हैं, बट दे ग्रो इनटू लाइक स्मॉल स्मॉल श्रब्स, राइट? तो इज द साउंड क्लियर नाउ? कैन यू ऑल हियर मी? क्लियर? ओके, ऑलराइट. तो जैसे यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे ट्रीज दिखाए हुए हैं, वैसे टाइप के ट्रीज भी अवेलेबल होते हैं. दैट इज ऑल्सो वेजिटेशन, बट इट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द क्लाइमेट. नाउ इफ यू हैव टू गेस where would these type of trees be available in Brazil, what will be your answer? ऐसे छोटे वाले ट्रीज कहाँ पे अवेलेबल होंगे ब्राजील में? Would they be on Amazon basin? Would they be on Brazilian highlands? Would they be on Guiana Islands? Why Guiana, Aditya? Guiana has a lot of rainfall. Why would it have small trees? Parana, exactly. Parana, Brazilian, exactly. So the right answer is either Brazilian highlands or Parana plateau, right? So these are the two main places where these chote shrugs would be found because they have less water. Okay. So now I'm going to talk about these three different main types of trees which are available in Brazilian forests. The first tree is called Pau Brazil. The interesting fact about this tree is that Brazil gets its name from this tree. So this tree was the first thing that came, right? And it's used a lot in construction. This is the main source of employment for people in Brazil. So Pau Brazil se naam aata hai Brazil ka, and this is available. Where do you think would this such a tree be available? Let's see who guesses. बड़ा ट्री है ना, काफी बड़ा ट्री है. प्लेन, which plain? Brazilian highland. No, not Brazilian highland. इतना बड़ा ट्री Brazilian highland में नहीं होगा लक्ष्मी. Evergreen forest. Exactly. So all these three trees are there in evergreen forest. Can you tell me why would we have longer trees in evergreen forest? Why do we need such long trees in evergreen forest? Because of rain? No. What else? Due to heavy rainfall? No. What's the reason? Why would the length of the tree depend on rainfall? Think. Why do you need taller trees? Because ample rainfall and sunlight. Can you elaborate on that, Mahima? You're on the right thought. Sunlight. What about sunlight? Good air. No. Because they are grown by sunlight and rainfall. It keeps large amount of soil. No. Kind of. Absorption. All right. Soil and sunlight. Okay, guys, you're all very close. So what happens is, because there is so much water and then there are so many plants that are growing, तो plants के बीच में competition होता है sunlight के लिए. So they keep on getting taller and taller and taller to get more sunlight. That is why their vegetation adopts to the physiography of that region, and then these huge tall trees grow in Amazon forest, right? So the main three trees are Pau Brazil, rubber tree. So you get a lot of rubber from there, and mahogany. Mahogany wood, have you heard about it? It's a very exclusive sort of wood that is used to create floorings, that is used in all the, I don't know, established areas. So is this clear? So these three are the main trees that are available in Amazon forest or evergreen forest. Sorry, I should start saying evergreen forest. Is this clear? Yes, Aditya, because of rain, area gets flooded too, but this mainly, iska main reason sunlight hai, Aditya. And rosewood as well, yes. सानिया क्या होता है बेसिकली, अभी बहुत ज्यादा पानी है, राइट? उसकी वजह से बहुत ज्यादा ट्रीज ग्रो हो रहे हैं. अब सब ट्रीज को सनलाइट चाहिए, राइट? एंड सनलाइट के लिए अब फाइट शुरू हो जाती है. उस फाइट के अंदर अजीत क्या कर रहा है, बार बार वीडियो ऑन ऑफ कर रहा है. हाँ, उस फाइट के अंदर वो बड़े होते जाते हैं. एक बड़ा होता है, फिर दूसरा उससे ही बड़ा होता है, फिर तीसरा उससे ही बड़ा होता है, और ऐसे ऐसे इस कंपटीशन के अंदर देयर आर ह्यूज टॉल ट्रीज इन द evergreen forest. Okay, maybe tallest in the world. Is this now clear, Sanya? Amazing. So now what we're going to do is we will revise each and every point. If you do not remember any point, तो हम end में वो point discuss करेंगे. Okay. So the first point was that in Brazil, rainfall varies due to physiography. In most parts of equator, it rains throughout the year. Okay. Second point was, जैसे जैसे हम equator से दूर जाते जाते हैं, वैसे वैसे number of rainy days as well as amount of rainfall reduces. उसके बाद evergreen forests are found in the area where it rains throughout the year. क्योंकि वो इक्वेटर के पास भी है, प्लस वो अमेज़न बेसिन है, तो एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट में पूरे टाइम रेनफॉल होती है. इन रीजन्स व्हिच रिसीव रेनफॉल ओनली ड्यूरिंग सर्टेन सीजंस, डेंसिटी ऑफ वेजिटेशन रिड्यूसेस. इंस्टेड ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, various type of grasses, short shrubs, and thorny vegetation is found. So regions like Brazilian highland, वहां पर ये छोटे छोटे वो shrubs जो हमने ढूंढे थे वो मिलते हैं, right? Then one finds trees like pau Brazil, rubber, mahogany, and rosewood in majorly in evergreen forest, but they've not mentioned it, so you don't need to mention it. Just keep in mind these 3-4 main trees available in Brazil. Uske baad, because of evergreen forest in Brazil, there's a large amount of oxygen that is released in the environment. This helps to reduce carbon dioxide level. Therefore, these rainforests are also called lungs of the world. Are all these points completely clear to all of you? Yes? Yes? Clear? Rest of you? Amazing. All right. We will not move forward because that will be a lot of information overload. So we will do till here. We will be doing our notes today in the after the class. But I need to discuss this with you guys. This is a very big issue for me. Only 8 of you have submitted your homework. What about the rest of you? Where is your homework? I keep on giving all of the things, but if you don't do the things religiously, then you will be stuck. Then there's no point of all of this. Where is the question bank? Ajit, did you give the question bank? Aryan, where are your homeworks? Akash, कहाँ चला गया तुम्हारा homework? Divya, what about you? Amit Yadav, तुम्हारा homework कहाँ है? Okay, Divya is saying that she will send by tonight. What about you all? Okay, yes, it's actually Aditya Vishwakarma. Okay, it's not Aditya Mishra. Mishra ने तो class ही आना छोड़ दिया है. Rest of you guys, I need an answer. This is not okay. If Didi is doing so much effort, can you all please do a little effort and complete your question banks? ऐसे नहीं हो सकता रितेश गणपति के बाद. You can't even do your homework till Ganpati. You have so many holidays, so much to like. I don't get it. We're not even pressurizing you all. 2 classes a day. In school, you used to have 6 classes plus homework. I need the homework by tonight. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. Rest of you? Ankit is coming on 23rd from Monday. Okay. Thank you, Ajay, for informing. Can I please listen, have a response from others? Amit Yadav, Akash. Akash, is Brajesh with you? He's never given any homework. Khushi, please submit your homework by tonight, guys. Anjali, you have not given a lot of homeworks. Please do that. Okay? With this, we come to the end of the classroom. I hope you all enjoyed today, also learned a lot. I will be sending the notes as soon as the class ends. Like, that's just in 5 minutes. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. I hope you all learned today. Bye, bye. Yes, I'm sending the notes, Lakshmi. Bye, bye, guys. Bye, guys. I love Ritesh's bye with so many jokers. Bye. All right, I'm leaving the classroom.